Hello viewers, welcome to Programming Geek. I'm here with a new tutorial, that is how to check record before performing insert operation using Linq C#. It was crude tutorial using Linq C#. Link in the description box below. This is the code event and these are the code to perform insert operation, perform crude operation insert delete tablet and charts using Linq C#. Let's debug. Yes, there are 7 records. Now I'm gonna insert one more record. This record is 108 product ID, item name pad, design apple, color red. Click on insert. Yes, successfully inserted. You can see the records inserted successfully and the result display in the grid view instantly. Okay, now if I change the name iClock and the iClock 700 and the product ID is 108, it is already exist in the database table, then it's displaying then the error cannot add an entity with the key. This is already in use. So now I don't want to display this message to the client. Now I'm gonna adding a clause to check whether the product IDs exist in the database table or not. So see that these are the records and 108 pad apple is already exist. If I want to insert it again, then it will display a message. To do it, I'm going to write code to check if record exists in SQL using Linq C#. So var st exist equal to from s in db dot product info tabs. This is the product info. This is the table name product info tabs, where s dot product id equal to product id, the variable product id, what's the get from text box 1. Okay, let's check. Yes, this is the text box 1. The name of this text box, product id is text box 1. So now select s dot product id. Okay, now add if condition. If st exist dot count greater than 0, I mean if the product id is available in database table, then it will display a message and then it will execute the if condition. Message will be message, it will display the message box dot show cannot insert duplicate record. Okay, see below. See below means in the grid view. See the grid view, see below. Else, I mean if the product ID is not exist in the database table, then it will execute the insert operation. Close the break. Else, yes, now it's done. If record not exist in SQL Server database table, then it will perform the insert operation, that it will execute these codes. Okay, now let's debug. Yes, 105, the record already exists. 105 iClock 880. I just changed my item name motherboard, design gigabyte, color green. Click on insert. You can see the product ID already exists. If I click insert, it's displaying cannot insert duplicate record. See below. Yes, it's working fine. See that the message cannot insert duplicate record. See below. Okay, if I put 107 and then insert, it's also available in the database table. You can see in the grid view. If 109, then it will insert. Yes, it's inserted successfully. See that it's execute this record, insert record code, and it's displaying the message and the result also displaying the grid view instantly. 109 motherboard gigabyte green. Okay, you can use this statement in this check condition statement in update operation also. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.